Good morning, everybody. Let's create a baby pacifier with Blender in Blender. So let's delete this cube with X, pressing X on your keyboard. Selecting delete, and let's hide the camera. Let's add a circle with Shift A and selecting circle. Scale your circle like this. Go to edit mode, pressing tab on your keyboard. You know, now extrude these points with E and C. So you can extrude over the C axis over here. Now E and S to extrude and scale. Like this. Now let's go to right orthographic view and E and C. This. Now another extrusion, E and C. Scale this extrusion here. E and C. Like this. Another one, E and C. And S. E and C. S. Scale. E and C. S to scale. Now we are here and we are going to merge at the center and select this point with 1 over here to select the point mode, G and C, so we don't have this point sharp, for the baby. And a little bit more. It was too much. Like this. Sounds good. Now we can go to edit mode again, select this loop over here. Number 2 to select the entire X loop. Alt click to select all this loop. And F to fill this region. Go to edit mode. We need to stay in edit mode and select this with Shift, Alt click to select all this loop. And bevel Control V on your keyboard. Mouse is in the mouse wheel. You can increase the number of segments. Click to accept. Okay. Now let's apply some shade smooth. Okay. Now let's create a new collection right here. A scene collection. New collection. Let's call it cylinders. Now let's add some cylinders actually. Shift A and cylinder. And let's scale S and Shift C. Okay. Go to top orthographic view with 7 on your numpad and GX to move this cylinder over this place. G and C. Now again, top orthographic view, select your cylinder, select this 3D cursor in this region, take a look. Shift D to duplicate and R to rotate at the same time. I'm going to put it over here and do the same process again, Shift D and R. Okay. Now select this baby pacifier, and we need to add a modifier called Boolean. So add modifier, generate, Boolean. Select difference, select collection, and select cylinders. Now apply the modifier. If you delete these objects, delete, and this one, you see that we have our holes in place. Now we need to add a cube, for the support. Shift A, mesh, cube, G and C. Okay, edit mode. And let's select this face 3 or click over here and Control B. And like this is enough. Now let's add a torus, but let's go to right orthographic view. Yeah, add torus, Shift A, mesh, torus. We are going to rotate in the y-axis, so R, Y, 90, G and C. We need to scale this thing a little bit, like this, and we're gonna apply some shape move, and we have let's bring back our camera, and we have our baby pacifier. Okay, you need to take good care of the camera with, select the camera and on your keyboard, view, camera to view. Now 0 on your numpad, and like this, for example. And click this, on select, sorry, and on click. Take good care of the illumination. The main part was this, Thank you very much. See you in any other video. Bye.